In this video, you will learn to add tap link leads into your Google Sheets automatically. So guys, tap link is a micro landing page builder for your Instagram account, and you can paste the link of that tap link landing page into your Instagram account bio, and you can collect leads from that link. Okay. And with the help of this automation, you don't have to manually add the details of the leads into your Google Sheet. It will happen automatically, and we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's begin. So guys, this is my TapLink account, and this is a micro landing page I have created for my Instagram handle. So this is how it is going to look like on a cell phone. You can see I am asking full name, email address, and the mobile number of the leads. Okay, you can customize it according to you. All right. And as and when this any person is going to fill these things and submit this form, a kind of form, the details will be captured here and will be saved here in this spreadsheet. Okay. So guys, for that we are using Pabbly Connect. This is Pabbly Connect applications landing page. And from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on sign up free button, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now. I have pasted this link in the description. After that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. So here I am giving the name to this workflow as tap link to Google Sheets. All right. So after giving the name, just click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So the logic of this automation is this, that when this happens, when something happens in a application, that is going to act as a trigger, and the action is going to make Pabbly Connect perform any action in a different workflow. So it is showing do this. All right. So here you have to select the trigger application from this choose app field. So our trigger application is tap link. Here it is selected. So the trigger event would be create lead. So this is going to trigger this workflow when a new lead is created. Okay. So select create lead option, and it will give you this webhook URL. Okay. And with the help of this URL, you can connect with tap link account, and you need to follow these instructions written here to do that. So you need to reach the add-ons page of tap link. There you have to select the webhook option from add-on list. Let me show you directly. You can read the instructions and follow them. So this is my tap link account, and here is the add-on section. You can see, click on it, and from the add-ons you have to search for webhooks. These are webhooks. This is webhooks option, and here you have to select this new lead option in the event section. Okay, and in this link field you have to paste the webhook URL that you got. So I have removed the old URL. Let me click on copy here and paste this new URL here like this. Okay, and from the JSON format you have to select JSON data format, and you have to activate it. You can see, and then click on save changes. All right, like this. And here you can see we are done connecting, and here you can see as I have copied this URL, it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now you have to fill that micro landing page manually on the behalf of any demo lead, and the details of that lead will be captured here in this response section, and that will act as a test data for us to set up this automation further. Okay, so this is my landing page's link. Let me show you from here, and you can open it by clicking on it, and here let me fill in the details as this. So I'm putting the name here as demo lead. The email address is this, and let me put a phone number. All right, so this is the phone number, and here I am clicking on submit, and you can see it is showing thank you for your application. Right, and let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured of this submission. And here you can see, guys, in this response section we got the data as this. So it is showing us the details like this. You can see it's a tap link, and here you can see the number, here you can see the email address, here you can see the name. All right, so these are the details that we have filled that got captured here like this. Name, email, and the date of the filling of the form is also here. Right. Now guys, I want to send the details of this submission to my spreadsheet in Google Sheets application. For that, we are going to use this action step, and here we are going to connect with Google Sheets. So search for Google Sheets here from this choose app field. And the action event would be add new row. Then click on connect. And from here, you have to select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. And from here, you have to select that Google account by which you have created that spreadsheet. All right, then click on continue from here. And you can see the authorization is successful. And we are connected. And here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet is TapLink Leads. So here it is. You have to select it from the given list. And then you have to select the sheet's name. Now it is asking for the name, email, and the phone number. So these are the details that I want to send here on this spreadsheet. So I'm going to map all these details from the previous step. Okay, the trigger step. And to map the data, you just have to click here on this name field. And the previous trigger step will appear here in the drop down, and you have to click on it to see the data that you have received in the trigger. So from here you will find the name as this demo lead. Okay, this is the full name, so you can map it. Similarly, find the email address, map it like this, and find the phone number and map it like this. All right, and now you can check your connection with Google Sheets by clicking on save and send test request button, and this test data will be sent here in this spreadsheet. So I'm clicking on save and send test request button here, and this is the response we have received. Let us check in the spreadsheet if we got the data, and here you can see the data got captured like this. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here in this workflow. After that, whenever any person is going to sign up or anyone is going to fill the landing page form that you have created, you will receive the leads data here in your spreadsheet automatically, and the workflow is going to run in the background, right? And guys, you can use this workflow as well. I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.